This awesome home on acreage has an abundance of amenities, and it's on Antenor.
Wonderful new construction in SilverPointe. Large open floor plan with lots of natural light, featuring approximately 2,594 square feet. The living area has a beautiful skylight, a wood-burning fireplace with built-ins, and looks out over the huge covered patio that has access from the breakfast area. The kitchen has an awesome island with a breakfast bar and lots of counter and cabinet space, a walk-in pantry, as well as special built-ins. The spacious owner's suite is isolated and is equipped with double vanities, separate tub and shower, and a great walk-in closet. The fourth bedroom is also isolated and is equipped with its own full bath as well. This 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, 3-car garage home sits on 1.02 acres. Make this one home today.
This home has an amazing floor plan with over 2,500 square feet. It's on Antenor, and I am able to assist you with the purchase of this one. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.